tigil ang laban.
And now, for Outstanding Public Officials and Employees Award or Dangal ng Bayan Award, we have Vice Mayor Ali Lawi Sumandar from the Municipality of Piagapo, Lanao del Sur.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the very warm men and women of the Civil Service Honor Awards program, to all who have made important contributions in fulfilling my dreams for my hometown, and all of whom I consider to be friends, may the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon us all as we honor the life-changing words of our fellow. I am truly honored to receive this award. I thank you all for this incredible recognition. It was not too long ago that my hometown suffered from dire condition, issues and poverty, lack of job opportunities, unstable security and peace and order, all of these were unfairly associated with Piagapo. Much I want to help salvage my beloved Piagapo from its dire reputation. It was very difficult for me to take a first step, being an overseas Filipino worker then. With those in mind, I left my humble life in abroad in a hope of helping my kababayan in my hometown to at least enjoy the life they all deserve. It may sound ambitious, but to me, this award is a manifestation of my ambitious beginning. And of course, the designation entrusted to me by the people brought new exposure and effective platform to do the cause close to my heart. I am thrilled to be included in a group of amazing individuals throughout this region to make their life work to change communities in an inspiring way. This award I received today refueled my determination to aim higher, not just for my kababayan, but for the entire Pegapo community. Again, I thank you all who have helped me on my journey and who have worked with me as I bring Pegapo forward. Maraming salamat po at congratulations din po sa mga kapwa kong awardees. Sa inyo pong lahat, I urge you to involve with your communities in whatever ways possible. Don't just aspire to make a living, aspire to make a difference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.